Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the printer brother DCP-T420W driver download and install. Okay, and how to connect to your desktop and laptop. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that. Okay, in the search box. After that you can see support.brother.com, this officially website, so you can download this driver from this location. So click on it. Then different OS also there, Mac, Linux, mobiles, Windows. So Windows 11 and Windows 1032 and Windows 464 bit and server and all servers there. And other operating systems in the Windows, so installations process same. Okay, and then click to OK. Yeah, this is an easy method. This is a full setup pack and this is a driver. So full setup pack means this is driver also and software also. If you need earlier the printer and scanner, okay, with USB, so it is okay. Click on it, then agree to download, so it will start downloading. Then it is completed. Then this icon to click means where it is downloaded. Right click, copy, minimize, right click, paste on desktop. This is easy for find. Okay, then double click. After that extract on same locations. Okay, this is extracted file. Okay, then on your printer and connect to your desktop to laptop via printer USB cable and click to start and then setting, then click Bluetooth device. Okay, printer scanner, add. So when you click add na, after 5 seconds it will show manual options. Okay, like that. Last, add local printer network manually setting. Next, next. Okay, then click hard disk, browse, go to back and this folder. Okay, double click, select the INF file. Okay, click, then click to OK. Okay, now you have to find 420W. This is your printer. Select this. Next, next. Now this is installing the printer. Okay, install, then next, finish. Now you can see this is printer, it's installed in your system. Okay, and you can send the print test page. Okay, yeah, thank you.